sectors like auto, entertainment, tourism, retail have shown significant upgrades for FY23 as the supply and demand side of the equilibrium recalibrates in the months ahead. A continued growth in consumption will augur well for the economy. On the inflation front, many key sectors have learned to pass on whatever price hikes that they have because of the commodity price increase to their clients. And they have already taken these decisions and gone ahead. And the government will continue its spending on infrastructure and capex. And private investments, along with lending cycles, will open up in select sectors. So it is a brilliant time to be in the markets. Your debt to equity for your Nifty based companies is among the lowest. So their risk appetite for these entrepreneurs will keep growing. But it is not a short term play. You will have to ride the growth path of India along with the promoters because they are going to invest into private capex at this point of time, for which rewards will happen in the next 2 to 3 years. So don't come into the market saying that I have to make money in the next 1 year. Come into the market saying that in the next 5 years, can I make returns which are greater than inflation plus my risk-free return? So to the tune of 14-15%, I think so that is easily possible.